All right, folks, good morning. I don't know. Did I say Happy New Year? I don't know if is this our first Happy New Year show? Well, Happy frickin' New Year, dude. It's beautiful out here at Lindo Lake. We are going to continue to come here. We've got a relationship with the ducks and the geese, so we might just as well. All right. Electric vehicles, they're still here. I think because there's no pressure on the manufacturers to build them, I think they're sort of calming back. And this is a prime example. This is a Hyundai Ioniq 9. It's huge. I mean, it is a big SUV. I mean, you could put a lot of people in this thing, depending anywhere from 6 to 7, depending on the seat configuration. Over 300-mile range. That's pretty strong for a vehicle this size. Normally, anything I see in the 2s, I'm not a real fan. This is a real ready to go. I mean, it drives well, it handles well, it's got great infotainment. I mean, it has really got it all. Yeah, we got a guy down here scraping the ground, but that's okay. Let's take a shot. That's our parks guy. He's keeping this place beautiful, and that's good. I got no problem with it. A little background music's not going to hurt a bit. Great charging. This thing charges up just super fast. It's not a problem. You actually have 2 ways to go. You can either use a Tesla charger or you can use a regular charger. With the Tesla, it's not as fast as what you would charge a Tesla up, but it will give you that quick charge to get you from point A to point B. 0 to 60 in something like 4 seconds. I don't know what the point is. I've never been a fan. I've always thought electric vehicle is to keep you out of the gas station and not have to spend money at that end. But let's go ahead and take a walk around and give you a little bit close up and look of the new Ioniq 9. All right, folks. Ultimate red is what you're going to see on the 2026 Ioniq 9 all-wheel drive SEL. Go to the website. Tons of colors. Dual motor, lithium ion. You've got a DC fast charge, as I mentioned, shift-by-wire, regenerative braking, which actually will gain you miles if you drive this thing like a normal person, is what I would call it. Automatic or auto head, LED lighting all the way around, 20-inch tires and wheels. High-tech seating, and the high-tech seating is good for families. If the kid drops his cheeseburger or French fries and you want to be able to clean it up, that's the easiest way to do it. You notice we got our door handles. When it's locked, they're in. And that gives you that smooth body. See, there you go. That doesn't happen when you're going down the freeway. But when you're going down the freeway and you've got that, that's awesome because that adds to your fuel mileage. I'm not sure if I like the lighter interior, but it does have that material that is easy to clean. Storage in the doors, nice, quite big grab handles that you have no problem closing this door. You got your door opening, which is good. This is for your changing your mirrors. And by the way, this has the same mirror system. Turn left, you get a camera. Turn right, you get a camera. It's all good. And then, hey, there goes our guy. Look at him. Must be done shoveling. Back seat. Great access to getting in here. You got your controls on the back side of the center console. You've got, boom. How easy is that to get into the third row seat? Not bad at all. I think Hyundai's done a great job. Smart cruise control, highway driver assist, surround view camera.
Hi.
I know. You want it? What's it going to take to get you in this car, girl?
Are you guys recording the car?
Yeah. Isn't that nice?
Years.
26. Hyundai Ioniq 9.
It's fine. I'm in the video.
Yeah, you can get in it. That's fine. Yeah, take a look. Hop in it if you want to see how it fits. Yeah, no, they've done a nice job. Hey, you too. Happy New Year. All right, we're going back to the front. My videographer got scared by the city worker. But, again, nice big center console, big cup holders. Look at your phone chargers in the middle, which is really nice. Let me just kick on this to show you the panoramic dash. I mean, this thing has got a dash on it that keeps you totally... Oh, check this out. Let's see. this is the only kind of odd thing. This is the start button on this right here on this stock. And your drive, reverse. But look how nice panoramic this is. I mean, look at the camera system on it. I mean, Hyundai does a really nice job. You got seat heaters, you got a steering wheel heater, you got cool seats, you got all your AC, you got home, map, search, media, everything you could ever ask for. And then, of course, if you put it in drive, probably not going to do it until I take off. But, if you got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, look at this. I mean, we're talking about wide angle all the way around. Pretty good. Then, of course, you got your 360. Yeah. They do a nice job. Let's shut her back off again. And then, of course, you've got on the steering wheel controls as well. As you can tell, back doors open nice and wide, good for getting car seats in, which is easy to do as well. The seat backs do recline on this particular car, and the outboard seats are heated. So that's kind of a nice deal. Now, if you go with the bench, then, of course, well, this is kind of the bench, and then you've got, see, you can come over here and take a look at this. This is nice. It gives you the option to, and that's a nice little recline if you're just kind of tired and you want to catch a nap. And then you grab the bar there, put you right where you want. You've got a nice center console. Put your cups in there. I got to tell you, Hyundai has done an amazing job on doing this. And then, of course, when you go into the rear hatch, let's see. Well, there should be a button on here. I went looking for it, and I didn't see it. But let's just see. Nope. So I'm going to go in here in the dash. Not a problem. Once you own the car and you're in it a while, you'll figure all this stuff out. That makes it easy. Nice, huge storage area at the back. Didn't even notice that was there. Trader Joe's, never been. Seats fold down manually. You got your 12-volt connection over here. Actually, I was wrong. Second row. Boom. And then let's see if we got the same. And then these probably just, you pull the strap. And then that's quite a bit of storage space. You can almost get a 4x8 piece of plywood in here. Take this out. We don't need that. Then, of course, you've got your controls down here if you want to store all, private stuff. Let's take a walk up to the front because this particular vehicle has what they call a front, which gives you this is where you keep all your chargers. This is the high output charger. I've got the low output in the center console. All your cables, tire inflators, everything you need. A little bit of looking for maintenance. So that's your 2026 Hyundai Ioniq 9. Go on the website. You can see plenty of other Hyundais that are available in the electric version if you are so inclined. I'm starting to get to where I really like Hyundai's lineup of electric cars, and you might too. Okay, this is going to be on my YouTube page, Mr. Dave Stahl. Please go on, share, and like. I'm trying to catch up with the kids. I'm doing okay, but I'm not there yet. And this will be on KCBQ AM 1170 Sunday. You'll be able to hear it as far as a car review. Hey, love giving you these cars. Hope you enjoy it as well as I enjoy giving it to you. Be safe and have a fabulous new year.